Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the mixer brush in Photoshop to blend colors just like real paint on canvas. If you've ever wanted to create smooth transitions, painterly effects, or realistic color mixing inside Photoshop, this tool is incredibly powerful once you understand how it works. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share a few practical tips that will instantly improve your blending. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. You can choose any size for practice. Once your canvas is ready, go over to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Click and hold on the regular brush tool. From the flyout menu, select the mixer brush tool. A quicker way to access it is by pressing B on your keyboard to activate the brush tool and then pressing Shift B until the mixer brush appears. Now that the mixer brush is selected, look at the top options bar. You'll notice 4 important settings: wet, load, mix, and flow. These control how your brush behaves and how the colors interact with each other. Wet controls how much the brush picks up and smears existing color on the canvas. Load determines how much paint is loaded on your brush. Mix controls the ratio between the canvas color and the paint on your brush. Flow affects how quickly the paint is applied. If you're just starting out, here's a simple balanced setup you can use. Set wet to 50%, load to 50%, mix to 50%, and flow to 50%. This gives you a very neutral, easy-to-control blending behavior. Now let's test it out. Pick any color from your color picker and paint a small patch on your canvas using the regular brush tool. Then choose a different color and paint it right next to the first one, so the edges are touching. Switch back to the mixer brush tool. Now slowly click and drag across the line where the two colors meet. As you move your brush back and forth, you'll see the colors begin to blend together smoothly, almost like you're mixing wet paint on a real canvas. The more you drag, the more the colors merge and create natural transitions. If you want stronger blending where the brush really smears the colors together, increase the wet value. If you want the brush to apply more solid color instead of mostly blending what's already there, increase the load value. If your strokes feel too intense or heavy, lower the flow to make them softer and more gradual. One very important tip is to look at the option called Clean Brush After Each Stroke in the top bar. If this is checked, Photoshop resets your brush after every stroke. If you uncheck it, the brush keeps the mixed colors, which makes the blending feel much more realistic and natural. This is especially useful for digital painting. For even better results, try using a soft round brush with slightly lowered hardness. You can also create a new layer and experiment there, which gives you more flexibility and keeps your original colors untouched. Many digital artists use the mixer brush on separate layers to build up depth gradually. So that's how you use the mixer brush in Photoshop to create smooth, realistic blends. It may seem simple at first, but once you start adjusting wet, load, mix, and flow intentionally, you'll have full control over how your colors interact. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.